Hello guys, welcome back to AppSheet tutorial. So today we're going to see about some other important expressions which will be useful in AppSheet development. So previously we have covered this if else, switch, conditional expressions. If you are new to the channel, check out the AppSheet expression playlist so you can learn about this previous expressions. After that, today we're going to see one of the useful expressions for hyperlink. So generally hyperlink is what does it is, so it will embed the link to a particular word or any image column you are giving. So in this we'll see one practical demo how we can embed some link using the word, whatever the word. We'll try this link of Google. So when we press this word, it will open this following link. So let's start with, let's create a demo. So we have already created this app. Now I'm going to add a new data. We'll go to the source and we'll add a new sheet for this other expressions. This data's other expressions. So we're going to see about hyperlink. So what we can do is, so we'll give some word and it will link hyperlink. Maybe the link can give hyperlink is generated. So we are going to give a word and we are going to give the link for the word, and finally we'll get the hyperlinked word. Okay, so now we're going to add this table. Okay, so we go to the UX and create one new view for this. Expressions. Let's get another. So right here, we'll hide this view reference, so it will get hide. So these are the previous views we have covered using the playlist. You can check out this to understand other expressions. And okay, let's go to the here. We'll go to the table and columns. Word is the text, and link is another type of text value which we going to hyperlink as a URL. So for this hyperlink, we're going to use the formula hyperlink column, link column, and then the word. First we have to give the link as per the syntax. So first we have to give a link and comma and the word we have to embed the link. So let's do this. Okay. So here, so the word we can do Google, and for the hyperlink, enter. some issue in this, but let's save this. Let's see what hyperlink will get here. Oh, the should come here. It's not came here. Okay, sorry because of this data type. So we'll try to change this data type, and we'll see here. And we'll create another one. Say Gmail. See, it's not working. So, some issues there. Is it text 21? Let's check out the sample. So I got some issues there. Yes. So if you got stuck like this, you can use the sample app which will be already built there. So we'll see the data type of this hyperlink. Is the URL and the URL. So yeah, so we made a mistake in this, the URL. So this should be the URL. Link should be the URL. Right? And this should also be the URL. Yeah, that's correct. And let's save and we open again. I'm creating a new one. Gmail.com. So the hyperlink. Let's save. Let's check out. So the Gmail word came here. And let's change it. Introducing the text. Let's see. Issue. is something. Okay, so maybe we can try with the virtual column. And so what they have done is the virtual column, and we are using the formula for this. So we'll try adding the virtual column. And for link, sorry, formula is for link. Save it, just done. Save this. This other server. See hyperlink. So here, okay. So now it's okay. So this is a Google one. This is a hyperlink where you will be, and the link we have given is the HTTP Google. So open this. So this box now. Give you some other what is the so same like this for hyperlink. Since it's like what is the issue in previous one is we have created a physical column in the spreadsheet, so that's why it's coming as direct link, and after a few seconds it's syncing with the spreadsheet and it's changing the link based on the spreadsheet data. So that is the issue in the previous one. So now we have the virtual column, there is no physical link. So based on the formula, it's calculating the word what we are giving here is embedded to this link. Actually, the hyperlink can be used in the document creation part. So, for example, you are sending some emails, but you have to send with the embedded link, like whatever the attached file. You can give a name like click here for the attachment, like that, and you can give the link of your attachment. So when you're creating the email body or email template, it will be very useful for hyperlink part. So that's the best use case. So I will make a separate video for this hyperlink part, how we can use in the document or email creation. Now we'll go to the other expression, and one of the important expression is the user role, so that we can give a restriction to directly to the table level based on the user that we can say. So yeah, and another one important is the context part. So we'll see this context part. So context is mainly used. So what is the meaning of context is? So this is one view. So the view is the other. So this is the one context, means the respective place of the part. So if context view equal to other means we can do the restriction or like kind of thing. And this is the another context data view. And if I click this, so this is the other expression detail context, and this is the form context. So this is the context part. So what we can going to do is, based on the context, we are going to show or hide the some bad columns. So for example, in this, so the hyperlink we are showing in both. So in other, if I click this, the hyperlink is showing here in the other expression detail context, but I don't want to show here, okay, in the form. So what we can going to do is, the other x in the hyperlink show an expression is here, show. So we are going to use the show it expression here only if the context of view should be, so view should enclosed within the quotes. Context of view should be, sorry, view should not be other. So this is the name other expressions form can refer it here, other expressions underscore form. Okay. So what does it mean is, so view should not be other expression form. So basically it means we are going to show this hyperlink column other than this form view. So this is the inequality operator, which means not equals. Okay, should not equal to form. I will save my, so see now I go to other, click this. So here we are seeing the hyperlink column. Then go to the form view. We want changes. Even so, this is the use case of context view. We can restrict based on the respective views. And one of the main use case in behavior, you have created a lot of actions with respect to the table, but it will appear in this detailed form here. It will appear. So if you want to hide in a particular view, you can hide using the context view. So using the actions, for example, this action behavior, only if this condition is true means, so here you can use the context view where you need to show this action button in the respective places. So this is one of the main use case using the context view. Now we'll see the another use case of the same like context, but user role. So user role, basically what does it mean is, so in this we will give users to the specific role, right? So I will give my email ID, add this. So I have given the role as user. So we have two roles. One is user, one is admin. And for this, you can also use this app. You can also edit the definition, but his role is user. So using the user role, we can restrict that data actions based on the user role. For example, so only if user role is admin, then we can give the all changes or just only access to the updates only. So we'll just copy paste this. It is that table. So add is one option. We can delete and we can update. So myself is an admin, so I can do all the operations. But for this guy, we are going to give a user role definition in the table level. So in this table, other expressions. So you can give the expression like this. So just remove this and paste this. So if user role is admin, we'll have all changes. If other than admin, only updates. So it means the delete option will go away, the edit option, sorry, the addition option will go away. So we save this. Now this guy is admin, so I have all the options: addition, deletion, okay, and edit also is possible. Okay. So, but we have invited this user as a this email ID as a user. So just check this out. Gmail.com. Apply. Okay, so it's previewing app, so it's not working. For this table level expressions, it doesn't work because I need to open this app using this email ID, but because this is only as a preview app, as it doesn't actually calculate the user. So what I can do is, so I will log out this app. Sign out and logging with that email ID. Log and expression information is here. So for this user, we have restricted only updates. So and the expression. So I logged in this user ID and another. So I can't able to add and I can't able to delete. So, because previously we used a preview app as this aditya.mp@gmail.com, but this user role table level calculation only works if the real user is logged in. So preview app won't work for that. Okay, so let's try another expression. So this is one of the use case of user role. So we can do this user role not only the table level, we can use in the views or in the actions, action buttons, whatever you have created in the behavior. You can use this user role expression to restrict. Now let's see the another one, text icon. So utility. So we have already seen the unique ID, which will generate automatic unique ID, and we see the text icon. So it's like a tool we can use making the text as icon. So simple, like whatever the name you are giving, it will automatically come as icon image value. Okay, so for this we just generating this other expression text icon. Okay, with this, okay, now generate the structure. Oops, yeah, we'll delete this visual column also. And icon is the image. What the formula for is the text underscore icon delete column context. Okay, save this and we'll save. So oops, the user doesn't have the addition operation. Go to table and try out this. But it doesn't work. I just want to show you. See, the preview doesn't work for this. So we just remove this. See, so I'm adding. So there is a text icon here. So see, whatever there we have inputted given as a text, it will come as an icon in a grayscale. So what does it mention? So whatever the text you are giving, it will show in the grayscale or circle. This one is so just save. See that respective icon came here. And you will get this icon generated with the placeholder. If you want, if you want to create a simple text icon, maybe you can use this AppSheet as a tool. So for example, one I'm giving saving. Okay, so you can use the one grayscale if you want as an image one. You can just download this and you can use it. Okay, so maybe mostly these kinds of icons may be useful in the e-commerce products. They have to generate labels. So maybe using this function they can print, they can stick it out to the products. Okay guys, so here's this expression, and in the upcoming videos we'll cover remaining expressions. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.